Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will practice at family verbs. The cat and the rat. Cat, bat, mat, rat, fat. Once a fat cat sat on a mat. A small rat ran by and saw the cat. The cat looked at the rat and said, "Stay at my side." The rat was quick and smart. It knew the cat would try to catch it. So the rat sat at a spot far from the cat. The cat tried to run fast, but the rat ran into a hat. The cat slipped on the mat and fell flat. The rat smiled and said, "I am safe at last." Let's revise.
Spreading the love wherever they go. Up on the stage with a dance and a cheer. Come join the party, feel the good vibes here. Channel so fun, like the stars shining bright in the sun.